Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. If you will watch this stock closely, PI Industries, we have discussed about this stock previously, right? That this level is the support for this stock, okay? And if any candle goes below and closes below this level, then this stock will turn bearish, okay? What happened today? The stock was making this level as resistance, and now what? The stock has broken this resistance line and came inside this pattern, okay? And now this is a short term support for this stock. If tomorrow the stock goes below low of yesterday, tomorrow means Monday, if the stock goes below 2534, the stock will eventually try to touch 2500 level, okay? It will come to test this level, right? Okay, and if this level is also broken, then the stock will start to come down and moves towards 2364. If you'll watch from my past 3 or 4 videos, you will find out that actually every chemical share has fallen this much. Ask why? Because crude oil prices are falling. There must be a news about some or the other chemical sectors, or some rise in prices, some GST, this, that, etc., which may have resulted in this huge of a fall. And one more thing, why this stock is falling is because the company has to announce its result around 18th of May. So market is not sure about the result. Market doesn't know where the result will come, what will be the digits, number, etc. So this is a profit booking which you are discovering, and which you can see in chart, that nobody is sure where the price will close or what will be the earnings of this stock, okay, or any chemical sector stock. So that is why chemical sector is under pressure, okay. So what is the resistance? 2656. This level is the resistance for this stock, and if the stock manages to go below this swing low of 470.60, then you can short this stock for is a target of 2400, because there lies no support below this region. There lies no support, okay. So this is my short analysis for PI Industries. Thank you for watching, and if you want to learn, you can join me through my Telegram channel, okay. And if you want to analyze this 20 EMA, then 20 EMA comes around 2516. So this level may also act as a short term support for this stock. So below this you can sell for this. Thank you for watching.